Distinguished guests, very senior officers, ladies and gentlemen. Next, what you are witnessing now is the last post. The last post signifies the final farewell to our device for the last post, while officers and warrant officers in uniform are to salute. Thank you.
الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. I am Lieutenant Commander A. Obalaja, the Base General Officer, Naval Unit Abuja. To read.
Come back.
That's okay. Accept my condolences. God bless our brother. Give the thanks to brother.
Deep in your heart, you are not alone in your grief. The entire nation and the armed forces mourn you and stands ready to support you in any possible way. We recognize that no words can ease your pain, but we hope that you will find solace in the knowledge that your loved ones made an indelible mark in our nation's history. To our fallen heroes, we say thank you. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to duty, your sacrifice, and your love for our nation. You fought bravely, and your courage will forever be remembered. We will honor your memory by continuing to fight against those who seek to undermine our peace and security. We will remain steadfast in our resolve to build a nation worthy of sacrifice. As we lay our fallen heroes to rest today, let us remember that their legacy lives in each and every one of us. Let us carry their spirit of bravery and selflessness in our hearts as we go about our daily lives. Let us be inspired by their example to stand up against injustice, to protect the weak, and to strive for a better future for our nation. The loss we feel today is immeasurable, but we must not allow it dim the light of hope within us. Instead, let us use this moment as a rallying cry to come together as a nation to support our armed forces and to work tirelessly towards a Nigeria free from the grip of violence and insecurity. We owe it to these fallen heroes to honor their memory by redoubling our efforts to create a safer and more prosperous nation for all. To the men and women who continue to serve in the armed forces, wherever you are, I want to express my deepest gratitude. Your commitment to defending our nation, even in the face of great peril, is truly commendable. You carry the torch that our fallen heroes have passed on, and we stand by your side as you confront the challenges that lie ahead. To the bandits, terrorists, and perpetrators of violence who seek to sow division and fear among our people, know this: our resolve will not waver. We will hunt you down, we will bring you to justice, and we will restore peace and security to every corner of our nation. Your actions may cause pain and suffering, but they will never extinguish the spirit of unity and resilience that burns within us. Today, as we lay our fallen heroes to rest, let us remember that their sacrifice serves as a reminder of the price of freedom. Let us honor their memory by striving for a Nigeria where no man's lives are lost in the pursuit of peace. Let us build a nation where every citizen can live without fear, where communities can thrive, and where our children can grow up knowing the true meaning of security and stability. In conclusion, let us pay tribute to the men and women who have given us their lives in the service of our nation, both before and now, and those that are still out there. May their souls find eternal rest, and may their families find comfort in the knowledge that their loved ones are rare heroes forever remembered and cherished. As we bid them farewell, let us pledge to carry their legacy forward, to work towards a Nigeria that is peaceful, prosperous, and secure. I promise you this, that we will not relent until we get all those causing havoc in this country. May God bless our fallen heroes, their families, and our great nation, Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you all.